How can I help you? Hi, Carol. Oh, okay. Let me pull your account up. Yes, it shows that you have 2 items ready. Okay, we'll bring those down. Hi there. Hi. Did you have a return? Yes. Thank you. What's that? Thanks.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video about using the Carnegie Public Library's easy and convenient curbside services. Remember, in order to use curbside service, first you will need to order your books or DVDs. You can do so on the library's website at cplwcho.org, on the SEO Libraries app, or by phone by calling us at 740-335-2540. We do have a video on our YouTube channel covering how to order books from the library's website for curbside pickup, so go ahead and check that out if you need to. A few things to remember: your account does need to be in good standing to use curbside services, and we ask that you give us 24 hours between making your requests and picking them up. We will contact you when your items are ready, so please wait until we contact you before heading over. You will also need to bring your ID or your library card with you, or if you are picking up items for someone else, please have their library card on you. Thank you.